Today, we are going to talk about the most basic but important parts of your hair routine, which is shampooing and conditioning. Hi, lovelies. You are welcome to Lawry's World, where we talk all things hair, beauty, and confidence. Let's start with shampooing. Shampooing is not just making your hair smell nice, it's actually about cleansing your scalp and hair, removing dirt, excess oil, sweat, and product buildup. If you skip shampooing for too long, your scalp can become itchy, flaky, and even develop infection. Plus, clean hair allows your product to work better. So think of shampoo as a pressing reset button for your hair. And I have one tip here. Always choose a shampoo that suits your hair type. You should know the kind of shampoo you have to use for your hair type. So if you don't know your hair type, consult your hairstylist. Now let's move on to the conditioning. Why you need conditioning. After you shampoo, your hair needs moisture. That's where conditioning comes in. Conditioner helps soften your strands, smooth the cuticle, reduce frizz, and prevent breakages. It makes your hair more manageable, shinier, and overall healthier. If you don't use conditioner, your hair won't be able to detangle. So you need conditioner to soften the hair. It also helps the scalp very much. Then also I want to add this. You always have to do deep conditioning at least twice a week. You need deep conditioning to keep your hair strong and healthy. So remember, shampoo keeps your scalp clean and fresh, while conditioning keeps your hair moisturized and strong. They are both perfect. Your hair can't live without. Thank you once again for joining me. If you find interest in any of these tips and you would want more, don't forget to write in the comment section, like, and subscribe. Till next time, see you.